On our well done. Oh. You know, say our country now, a lot they go on. A lot of insecurity they go on now. Banditry and terrorism. So now, any idea where you get, where you feel say, go make things work, you come out talk am. And now waiting me, I won't do. I won't drop my own 2 cents, my own suggestion. Now, when we say this thing, they go on. Our military personnel, they go need more people and more resources. Now, I ask federal government, if they go fit merge EFCC with our army, because now our EFCC now waiting they go now to go they pursue Yahoo boys, and now no be Yahoo boys be our problem. I know they encourage scam, but for now we need them in the field. If they go match them with Nigerian army, even if now for 3 months, may they help. They don't already know how to bust doors for midnight, so that for midnight they go enter all these bandits their camp, bust their door, capture them. Even they even teach Nigerian army how to bust, because they used to bust it. If they go feel match them with army for 3 months, if it go work, now my own suggestion, if they can merge EFCC with the army, so that they would, you know, do what they know how to do best and get these bandits for us, it will still go a long way. Make una reason am, abeg. EFCC, this is time for you people to help Nigerians. Abeg, you don't understand? Mona join army, help the country. Abeg. God bless you guys. Mona no find me. That suggestion I give. Abeg.